I've got a little DIY dustpan project here. So I got this. This is from packing, something that came in the, you know, a package to protect the corner. And then this is a piece of a curtain rod here. Okay, what I'm doing now is I clamp this to this piece here because I'm going to drill through them both and then use some rivets to secure it. Now for choosing the right size drill bit, so I just match it up with the rivet here, and you can see this drill bit's just a little bit, about the same size as that rivet. And I'm going to make sure this thing's squared up. Got 2 holes drilled there. I'm going to drill a third one, but I'm going to sink these rivets first. Now I flip this over because I want to sink the rivets from this side. The rivets will fit in there just nice, just like that. And gotta make sure to select the right fitting, the right head for the rivet gun. And this is the one there. Sink that all the way in there. Pop that in there like that. We've got 2 bottom rivets in, so I should be able to take this off now. Yeah, that'll almost work just like that, but I'm gonna put one more in right here.